Hey friends, today I will make the royal chicken white korma, or famously called in India the Shahi chicken korma. This is a simple and an easy recipe to make in your home kitchen using simple and minimum spices, but perfectly made to be just like the rich restaurant style quality. This is not at all spicy but is so rich and creamy. You can enjoy it on any occasion with your family and friends. So let me quickly get started. The most important part, making the white paste for the gravy. I'm using around 15 cashews, around 10 almonds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of flakes of coconut, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fried onions, and 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to put these all in a blender and going to make a very smooth paste. Once the paste is ready, I'm going to keep it aside and going to marinate the chicken. Marinating the chicken with yogurt and white pepper powder, and going to keep the marinade for minimum of 1 hour. Mix everything well together. In a hot pan, I'm adding around 5 tablespoons of white oil. You can also use clarified butter if you want to. And after that, I'm adding all the whole spices into the hot oil. I'm using your cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Now I will add green chilies. Keeping the flame in medium to low, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Sauteing it for some time until the rawness of the ginger and garlic paste goes away. Once the ginger and garlic paste starts to turn light golden brown, I am adding the marinated chicken, salt to taste, mixing everything well together, and cook it for approximately 10 minutes in medium flame until the oil starts to separate from the chicken. Now it's time to add the paste which I have already prepared. If the paste is too thick, as you can see mine is, I'm adding half a cup of water, and I'm going to cook this chicken for approximately 10 minutes. Adding 1 cup of whole milk or heavy whipping cream or half and half as you like, with half a teaspoon of saffron soaked into the milk for 10 to 15 minutes. Mixing the milk into the chicken, and I'm going to stir the chicken for some time. Add half a tablespoon of sugar, covering the pan with the lid, and let it cook in medium flame for another 5 minutes. You can see that the oil has started to separate from the chicken and the chicken looks completely cooked and delicious. Now it's time to serve the chicken and enjoy. This is optional. You can garnish the chicken with fried onions. Enjoy the royal chicken white korma or the Shahi chicken korma recipe with any kind of Indian bread of your choice. Today I'm going to enjoy this with paratha, and believe me, this tastes simply delicious. Do try this recipe and comment below to let me know how was it. Like, share and subscribe my channel Soumiz World if you haven't yet. See you soon. Bye bye.